It is not that bad, okay?
Your room is terrible.
Calm down, sweetheart. Just come here for a second.
No, it's messy.
Bruh, you don't have to...
Seriously?
Bruh.
Seriously.
What do you mean?
Like, do you know what a vacuum is?
I don't need... It's fine. Who cares, okay?
Like, you got crap everywhere.
Yeah,
Like, just go hire someone to clean your freaking room.
Okay?
Oh.
Can we talk about the video?
No. Why do we have
Can we record it real quick?
I have to go to dinner.
Oh my gosh, I just want to come out to everybody. It's been like 4 months. Can we just do it? Like, can we just get it over with?
Really? Like, this is what we're talking about right now?
What is your problem?
Like, your room. We're talking about your room, and you're talking about coming out? Like, coming out of what?
No, like the gay video that we've been talking about.
Seriously?
Oh my gosh. You don't have to act so surprised. We've been talking about this for like 5 months.
Oh, buddy.
I just want to make... Okay, it'll literally take like 3 minutes, okay? Here's the video, okay? I'm going to be in the closet, and I'm going to be like, hey, guys, it's official. I'm coming out. Ha, 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 ha. I come out of the closet. Get it?
I got it.
No, listen. So I come out of the closet.
I got
No,
the
listen.
I got it.
Listen, I'm not done with...
I got it.
I'm not done with...
I got a flag you can wear.
No, just wait. I have to get the... Okay, so I come out of the closet. I make out with a dude. And then you congratulate me.
Okay.
It'll literally take like 2 minutes.
Okay.
When do you go to dinner?
Like, we're kind of like in like 20 minutes. But like...
When will you be back?
3 hours? 2 hours? I don't know.
Okay, can we do it later? Maybe? Okay, what did you say you had?
I can go get like a flag for you. That would be like cool.
What do you mean a flag?
Wait.
What?
This?
What for?
Do you want to use this?
What would I do with it?
Just to come out. Like,
why would I...
Proclaim I'm a bisexual.
That's not the bisexual flag. That's the gay flag.
It's all... It means everything.
No.
Yes. It means everything.
Okay, well, where am I going to put it?
I'm
coming
you
out...
You come out of the closet and you wave it loud and proud.
Okay, wait. Tell
like
me...
That.
Wait. Let me just practice real quick.
Okay.
Okay, here. So let me show you. He's going to be standing...
Who's he?
It's just someone, okay?
Okay.
He will be standing right here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm going to be in the closet.
Uh-huh.
I close the door.
Literally, you're coming out of the closet.
No, just...
Right.
I'm serious. Look.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm in here. I'm talking about I'm gay and stuff.
Yeah.
Like all the gay stuff. And then I come out.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I am officially coming out of the closet.
Right.
I kiss him on the lips.
Uh-huh.
And then, but like, where would I even do the flag thing?
You carry it like this.
But how am I going to hold the flag and carry it? Well, then you say congratulations.
Well, okay. Like, do you just want... Like, we can take it off this thing. If you just want to have the flag and wrap him in the flag.
He could... Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right?
Okay. I mean, yeah.
You want me to just go get one that's not on a pole? Because we got... Yeah?
Yeah.
You want me to do that right now?
Just when you get back. When we record it.
When we record?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tonight.
Okay.
Alright, when are you leaving? Right now?
Like 20 minutes.
Alright, yeah, that's fine. Never mind. Where is it?
Where's what?
What do you know? Where is it? Where is it? Where? I know you took it. There's no one else who knew where it was.
Took what?
It's not funny. Okay, seriously, just tell me where it is. Bro, my gosh. You know what? The blueberry vape. Where is it? Oh my gosh, I left it in the top. I swear it was in the top of my closet. Right here. On the top shelf. It was right here. Okay? It was literally right here. I had it in the top. No, I don't vape and drive, dumbass. No, okay? I know. You are the only one. You suck. You're the only one. Oh my gosh, I literally know. There's literally no one else. Alright. Okay, fine. Specifically on the top shelf.
I don't know.
You are the only one who knew it was there.
No, it's not.
You're the only one.
I don't vape.
Okay, bro. It was right here next to the pipe.
Okay, well, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know where it is.
You are the only one who knew where it is. Where else could I have put it? You're literally the only one. Explain that. How you, the only person who knew where it is, and it's gone.
You, little sis, maybe overheard it. Mom might have overheard it. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Mom might have taken it from you. I don't know.
Why would mom take it? I'm a grown man. Okay? She did not take it. Seriously? Like, tell me.
Dude, I don't know where
Okay,
it is.
tell me where it is. I'm not rating you.
Okay, chill. I don't know where it is.
I'm not gonna rate. I'll never rate you again if you don't tell me where it is.
Okay.
What? Where are you going? What are you? Cruz! Where? So you did.